In this video, I'll show you how you can create a link for photos and videos in Google Drive so you can share this link with other people. So the first thing that you need to do is go to Google Drive. If you're already logged in on your Google account, you can go to Google Apps in the top right hand corner, click on Drive, and it will take you there. Once you're there in Drive, what I would do is go to My Drive, and from here you can go ahead and click New Folder, and then call this folder whatever's relevant to your files, photos and videos. I'll just name this tutorial, and what that will do is it will create a folder. If you double click on that folder, you can then go ahead and upload your photos and videos to this folder. You can do that by going to New and then File Upload, or what I like to do is open the files or photos in a file explorer window, and then from here we can just go ahead and select all of the ones that we want and then just drag them into Google Drive. That will then upload them. You will see the status of the uploads in the bottom right hand corner. Once they're uploaded, you can exit out of the upload window, and now if you right click on your folder, you can go to Share and then click Share again. Now it will be restricted by default. If you change this to anyone with link, you can then click Copy Link, and now you've got a link to this folder. You can then go and give this link to anyone. I'm going to open it in a new tab, and this is what the person will see. So they'll be able to then click Download All, and they'll be able to download this file, including the videos and the photos.